Magnesium mother is someone who is going to be a protector, shield, in terms of bringing up the young one, like the mammalian quality, but developing the structure, protection in terms of developing the structure, as it is mineral, whereas the mammalian development of the mother is developing the life, nurturing life, protecting life of the young one. And that is expressed from magnesium point of view as a mother is about love, care, affection, nutrition, so that the structure is properly developed. Are you getting? But the Calcaria mother will look in terms of the development of the person's career. Son, how is your job going on? Son, I think this is the right job that you should take up, or this is the right career that you should take up. Here the financial status is like this, here the loss is like this, here the working hour are like this. So this type of advice, this type of guidance in terms of career oriented, in terms of financial growth, in terms of the growth of one's future, in terms of house, in terms of money, in terms of job, in terms of health, do the exercise properly. So now magnesium mother will provide milk with dry fruit put into it for nourishment purpose. But the Calcaria mother will also give milk with dry fruit put into it to the son for him to be having strength and stamina so that he can work better. He will have that much amount of stamina so that he can really have those many hours. He will not be exhausted. His quality of work will improve. So his financial status will improve. That role as the mother figure. So only don't look at mother. Look at what the mother represents for the child. Is very important. In what aspect the mother represents the child? In terms of its nourishment, care and love and affection, or is it in terms of that love provided for the child's development as far as career, as far as health, as far as financial status is concerned? I look after my son in such a way. What do you look after, Baba? I look after all his needs. Why? What is the reason behind it? The Calcaria mother will say that he should be fit and fine so that his 8 hours work that is there, that he will be healthy enough, he will grow, he will get promotions so that his future is good. This angle of looking is different from that of magnesium. I love him now. I have given birth to him now. So I look after the nourishment part, I look after the care. He should not even ask, I should be providing him. So are you getting? So this magnesium mother's viewpoint is different from Calcaria mother's viewpoint.
What magnesium personality expect from mother and what Calcaria personality expect from mother?
So magnesium personality, what they will expect from mother is just this particular sense of touch, the sense of hug, the sense of caressing, the sense of providing food and nourishment. But from the Calcaria perspective, what they expect from the mother is her advice of my growth in my career, her advice what choice of job should I go. She will know whether am I fit for this particular job, or am I fit for this particular position, or am I fit for this particular type of work that I am going to do, because she has been seeing me from early childhood. So she knows the choice of job profile that is going to be there. She knows whether am I having that mental ability to take up this type of work which has got mental strain in it, which has got physical, whatever it could be, which has got physical strain in it. So she is the one who provides me the guidance in terms of, is it the right one? Do I have that stamina and this thing to work for this particular? So her thing is career oriented, and the child expects from the mother is the career thing what the mother's advice will be.
So what's important in the case when the issue of mother comes up? How we can clear that in the case? What
is he saying? That she is the one who provides me that particular guidance in terms of my growth, which he clearly says. Now growth and finance also he mentioned, but his tilt was not towards cushioning, not towards caressing, not towards hugging, not towards that gentle touch. That was not his story. his basic thing from the mother, what he was expecting, what he was telling was that she provides me that particular coverage where my growth is there, where financial requirement is, that is there. So that clearly indicates this person's motherly role is in terms of career oriented, in terms of financial oriented, in terms of job oriented, in terms of health oriented.
So we can conclude that even the mention of mother comes up in patient story, then it is not necessarily that it is row 3 issue.
No. You have to look at the idea about what is the mother for that individual, how he or she looks at the mother figure. That's why if you see, the magnesium mother figure is very much similar to that of the mammal mother figure. The idea only different that is there is the mammalian mother figure is protecting from life and death situations, whereas the magnesium mother figure is someone who is protecting the structural development at the tender age to properly grow. So the focus of both the mothers, mammal mother and the magnesium mother, even though there is mother love, care, affection, everything that is there, both provide that milk for the growth, but the mammalian mother that provides the milk is for the protection of life, whereas the magnesium mother provides that milk and nourishment is for the development of the structural development of the child to grow it in a proper way as a good adult.